Good morning, Saugus. I'm Aiden Arevalo, and today is Monday, October 14th.
And I'm Parker Long, and this is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd let you know why the first weeks of a marriage is called a honeymoon.
The custom of a honeymoon began over 4,000 years ago in Babylon, when for a full lunar month after the wedding, the bride's father would supply his son-in-law with all the honey beer he could drink. It was called the honey month.
The word honeymoon didn't enter our language until 1546, and because few people could afford a vacation, a honeymoon didn't mean a trip away from home until the middle of the 19th century.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Science mentors will be available at lunch this Wednesday. If you're interested in reviewing, getting caught up, or getting organized, they will be available for help. Chemistry will be meeting in X2404, and biology will be meeting in X2412.
Transcripts for juniors and seniors can be ordered through Naviance. Transcripts for CHS and NHS can be printed out in the library.
Ask Canon Tuesdays will bring together a host of COC student services. Receive support by scheduling a one-on-one advising session or stop by an information station in the library alcove.
The deadline for taking senior portraits is October 26th. That means all portraits must be scheduled and taken by that date. If you have not had portraits taken yet, schedule your appointment as soon as possible to guarantee that there will still be times available. Portraits not taken by the deadline will not appear in the 2020 yearbook. Contact O'Connor Photography at the number listed below to schedule an appointment. Now let's go to Melissa Santillan with your ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Melissa Santillan with this week's ASB Minute. This October 17th, Saugus Choir has their fall review in the Performing Arts Center starting at 7 p.m., $8 for pre-sale and $10 at the door. This Friday, we have a home game against West Ranch at COC. The game theme is patriotic. Also on Friday, the October Super Series activity will be held in the gym at lunch. The activity will be the basketball minigame knockout. That's it from me. Now let's go to Owen Gatlin with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Owen Gatlin with your sports news. Congrats to Frosh football on their win against Golden Valley last week. Kai Kaith, Vinny Gallagher, Dario Sandoval, and Austin Trehe all scored touchdowns. Johan Sanchez scored a PAT. Tomorrow, girls tennis plays against Canyon, JV plays at Saugus, and varsity plays at Canyon. Both games are at 3. Also tomorrow, girls volleyball plays against Golden Valley. Frosh plays at 3:45, JV plays at 4, and varsity plays at 5:30. All games are at Saugus. Good luck to all Centurion athletes. That's all for me. For the next few weeks, SNN will be running segments about cooking with the intent that it might inspire some of you to cook instead of reheat or takeout. Here's Mr. Williams with more.
Good morning, Saugus. My name is Mr. Williams, and I'm the advisor for SNN. We here at SNN are concerned about how many students don't know how to cook a simple meal. If and when students do cook, it's often ultra-processed foods and prepared in a microwave. A new study has determined that ultra-processed foods have contributed to an alarming rise in obesity in American adults and children. In the study, participants gained an average of 2 pounds in 2 weeks while eating ultra-processed foods, but lost an average of 2 pounds in 2 weeks when eating unprocessed foods. Now, you might be asking yourself, what does this all mean? Basically, SNN wants you to cook food in your kitchen or on a grill, just not in the microwave or relying on fast foods for all meals. We're all very busy, and sometimes we just don't have time to prepare a properly cooked meal. But when we do find the time, it's important that we know how to make even the most elementary dishes, like scrambled eggs or a grilled cheese sandwich. So SNN will be having periodical segments that will be tutorials on how to cook certain easy dishes. We want you to get in the habit of getting dinner cooked instead of getting dinner out of the freezer or purchased under a heat lamp. Thank you, and we look forward to a great school year. This has been Mr. Williams for Saugus News Network.
Thanks, Mr. Williams. Make it a goal to cook at least once or twice a week.
Saugus Reach will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein in Q1715 at lunch. Spots will be limited. This Friday, a representative from ASU will be on campus.
The NROTC scholarship is available for seniors. It covers 100% of the college tuition, textbook stipend, living expenses, travel opportunities, and more. Applications are available at the website listed below, or go to the counseling office to pick up a flyer.
The Epic Flight Academy has 2 scholarship opportunities available for juniors and seniors interested in aviation. One is worth $20,000 and the other is worth $5,000. For more information, go to the website listed below or go to the counseling office to pick up a flyer.
Sixth Car Rental will be awarding 5 $5,000 scholarships. To qualify, you must be a graduating senior, plan to enroll in a full-time undergraduate study at an accredited 2- or 4-year college or university for the entire 2019-2020 academic year, and have a minimum grade point average of 3.7 on a 4.0 scale. For more information, go to the website listed below.
That's all for today. I'm Aiden Arevalo. Stay tuned for SN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Parker Long. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.